Hey everyone, welcome to Nathan Health and Fitness. If you want to stay strong, youthful, and full of energy no matter your age, then this video is perfect for you because I'll show you the 7 best anti-aging exercises. Stay tuned until the end because exercise number 7 is the main one. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you haven't checked out our previous videos yet, make sure to visit the channel and watch them. Now let's dive straight into the video. So let's get started. Number 1, squats. Squats are a powerhouse move that engages multiple major muscle groups at once, providing a total body boost. When you squat, your glutes, quads, and inner thighs activate, while your back and core muscles work to keep your spine safe and aligned. It's a full body challenge with huge rewards. Beyond building muscle, squats are one of the best exercises for joint strength and resilience. With proper form, squats promote healthy function in your knees, hips, and ankles, enhancing flexibility and supporting mobility for years to come. Squats also stimulate bone density, lowering the risk of osteoporosis and keeping your body strong as you age. Squats improve circulation, stimulating blood flow, and helping deliver oxygen and nutrients to every cell. This not only boosts performance, but also supports overall vitality. How to perform squats correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. As you inhale, slowly lower yourself down, pausing briefly at the lowest point. Keep your back straight and chest lifted. Exhale as you rise back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. Number 2, push-ups. Push-ups are a classic, powerful exercise that works multiple muscles simultaneously for a full upper body workout. Each push-up activates your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, helping build strength and definition. Push-ups also combat muscle loss, strengthen your joints, and improve bone density, reducing the risk of fractures as you age. They enhance balance and stability, improving your posture and confidence in everyday movements. How to perform push-ups correctly. Start in a plank position, forming a straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself by bending your elbows while keeping your body aligned. Press back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. Number 3, lunges. Lunges are a powerhouse move for sculpting and toning your glutes, thighs, calves, core, and back. They help relieve back tension, improve balance, coordination, and posture. Lunges also provide a great stretch for your hip flexors, enhancing your range of motion and helping you move with greater ease. How to perform lunges correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and step forward with one leg. Form a 90-degree angle with your front knee while keeping your back knee bent. Push back to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps on each side. Number 4, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a powerful cardio exercise that quickly elevates your heart rate. They strengthen your heart and lungs, lowering the risk of age-related conditions like hypertension and heart disease. Jumping jacks are more than just a cardio move. They engage multiple muscle groups, including your shoulders, core, glutes, and legs, helping maintain muscle mass and strength. How to perform jumping jacks correctly. Stand tall with your feet together. Jump up, spreading your legs wider than shoulder-width apart while raising your arms overhead. Land softly with slight bent knees and return to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Number 5, bench dips. Bench dips target the triceps and engage your chest and shoulders, providing a balanced upper body workout. They help build muscular endurance and can tighten and tone your arms. How to perform bench dips correctly. Sit on the edge of a bench with your hands gripping the edge, fingers pointing forward. Lower yourself by bending your elbows and then push through your palms to raise yourself back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. Number 6, jumping rope. Jumping rope isn't just for fun. It's a powerful anti-aging exercise that helps strengthen muscles and bones. It also triggers the release of endorphins, boosting mood and reducing stress. How to perform jumping rope correctly. Stand in the middle of the rope, holding the handles at hip level. Rotate your wrists to swing the rope over your head and jump with both feet together as the rope passes under them. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Number 7. Plank. The plank is a powerhouse exercise that targets your core, building strength and stability. It activates almost every muscle in your body, from your shoulders down to your glutes. Planking improves posture, balance, coordination, and flexibility while helping you stay youthful. It also offers mental benefits, providing a mindful moment to focus on your breathing. How to perform the plank correctly. Lie on the floor with your hands shoulder width apart and feet hip width apart. Place your forearms on the floor directly below your shoulders. Maintain a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core. Hold for 3 sets of 30 seconds each. What are your favorite exercises? Let us know in the comments below and be sure to watch our other videos. See you soon.